guys, welcome back to another vlog. I don't know if you're not here, welcome back to another Ocho vlog. We're going somewhere, I don't know where, but somewhere with water hopefully, because I'm prepared for the water always. So when I'm there, I'll update you guys on that. So guys, one thing about me, I'm gonna injure myself. You just watch. Oh, I'm not even there for half an hour good and look what happened. My foot cut, literally cut. You like it here? You want to water?
Okay.
Guys are leaving Ocho now. Sorry, the Magaritaville. You ready? One next time coming at the morning and leaving at the evening because we come after 12. We reach here like after 2. So after 1. After 1. So yeah. Time pretty late now, after 4. No, I think it's after 4. So now we're leaving and heading back to St. Catherine. Yeah. Almost 4:30. So guys, it's Monday. Jago car just a fling when me curl them, so. But we in here and we are angle the road. And I go to Spanish Town. Jago can't stop flinging my curls them, man. I don't know how I'm to you. Hey guys, welcome back to another day in the vlog. I am about to go on the road. I have a braid appointment, I have my hair appointment, and I'm trying to stop at the barber first to get a wax. So let's just get going. Let's go on the road right now. So guys, welcome to the vlog. Yay. Period. A different thing, you know, Camille, because the drive, you know.
So I door open. Hello. Come show me how the door open.
I want to reverse.
it or reverse, I go forward, come shoot.
I down the hill to go push her down like a big barrel.
Open the door.
Film vehicle, you know. She vehicle a driver. Guys, this is mine. This is not mine, but we're gonna use it when the owner sees it. All them do them comment. I will talk about it. Guys, the quality kinda shitty because it that I'm gonna try to turn up a little light. Yeah, good for a good phone. So we're about to go to a party called Umbrella. I will hurry up and come down here. We're still in the car.
I'm not sweat.
We are sweat because she alone I use it because I don't feel it. Right this so. Right there. So guys, I'm gonna try to vlog little here and there tonight so I can end the vlog so I can get to see it and get some good content because I'm going to see my bad artist tonight. Understand? One valiant. Period. We talk about the clothes. Sagina man. She did not. She did not. So guys, we're here. That's my friend, nice clean friend. Period. That's where y'all look at so far and subscribe to my channel.
Not push it forward. That's the way.
So guys, I'm trying to go and look at lights. The party's over now and we're walking to the car. It's way up the top. I'm tired. May I walk see him? Watch her. No man, we alright, come on. She just realized say we alone. I ain't night with her, you know. I can't even see myself because I'm dark. But we're walking guys. And this is the last of the vlog. I get for some artists. Period. Big up Valley. And my day are walking. They can't see me. But soon they can see me. Friend, come now, you make it look like a dopey show, so. Come here, look back at me, I'm not see you. You know, I'm to her like she know watch dopey show. The lights here again. Watch your one butter. No people, how this? I could have host a little, you know, one of them reality show there. So, oh, yes, so dark. I want back just to fly. So, guys, I'm officially back where the light is. We're at the pool side. I feel poolish. I'm not telling like people, but actually jumping at the pool right now. I'm not ask. I'm literally go lay down in the pool water there till daylight because it's after 12 now. And I don't only want to pay. I'm thirsty, man. I'm telling you, I'm very much thirsty. No, look, my body I got different direction.
Yanieki! Hello, that bomba Yankee see Joe Chuck there. Yeah, I'm Chuck.
Friend.
Hi, Joe Chuck.
I want a cup of liquor to drink, you know, where I embarrass myself. So, guys, we're currently waiting on the others to come.
I'm not there for some fun.
You can't sit down, man. What I do?
Friend, come now.
We hate the foolishness. Jump, man. Yeah, girl. You angle that. Go on again. Yeah, man. Angle that. Angle that. A long time you live a country, man. I ask. Earlier. So, guys, we've made it to the end of this vlog. I get for some bad artist valiant. I get for singing, you know, and him angle. But then put me at the wrong place because I really did for them on the stage, but for some reason they never put me there.
Them they lock it, friend. Them they lock it and say up there full.
Angle tonight.
Angle. Outfit check.
Period.
Bridget. I don't remember where that is from.
Period.
But outfit foot check. Bridges. Close out the vlog, friend. The vlog close now.
It black. Later, guys. Guys, I'm literally tired and the pool at tip me cat. When I don't know some me love water already, you know. Alright now would I literally lay down in the water. I come out till daylight. So still I wait for them. I live our best life. My friend is over there. We live in our best life. It's like we're at an hotel.